Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set take profit and stop loss on Bitget spot trades. First, go to the Bitget website and log in to your account. Then, click on Trade from the top menu bar. Now, select Spot and choose the trading pair you want like BTC or USDC. Once the trading page loads, look to the left side in the Spot Orders section and click on Market to choose a market order. Then, select USDC as the currency you'll use to buy crypto. Now, enter the amount you want to buy. After that, check the box that says TP or TS to enable the take profit and stop loss settings. Then, enter your take profit percentage and stop loss percentage based on your trading strategy. Finally, click on Buy BTC to place the order with your TP or SL set. That's it. Your spot trade is now protected with both a profit target and a safety net. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.